Alright, so this is what we're doing. Everything through here we all did with horses. And you see there's a lot of big timber left, and you know, nothing's bent over. It's nice, good cut job. It looks good. Everything on this side of the fence, the farmer wants gone pretty much as we can, because he wants the sunlight to get to his crop. This is the worst looking part of the job. We're taking the dozer, and there's a ditch right here. We got to pull the treetops out of that ditch. So we're doing it with the dozer. And we got this fence here. This is the worst looking part of the job when we're done. And it's where we're making no money at, believe it or not, because this tree here is going to show blue more likely. Between the fence, the ditch, the run of the dozer, there's no money here. But what I'm going to try to do with this guy is send him that way on top of those treetops, so we don't have to pull him out of the ditch, and to kind of flip him a little bit off of this fence. If he comes off this way, he's going to smash the fence. I'm going to try to hit him and bump him just a little bit and keep him off that fence. You know what they say, if you want to hear God laugh, tell him your plans. That went good. Stayed off the fence. Bumped it to the left. Did pull some fiber doing it, but it's going to turn blue anyway, more than likely. And kept it off the ditch so we don't have to pull it back off the ditch. Alright, so it wants to go. Alright, so it wants to go that way. I'm going to turn it that way and try to spin it clockwise. Didn't spin it much, but just enough. Going bad spot right there, showing blue, of course. So it nicked the fence. It turned it about 90 degrees, and it nicked the fence. That top strand lifts him up a little bit, but it didn't smash it, so it did cut it up. Alright, so I got one more tree back in there, and then we're done with this mess. And then we gotta drive all the way around the back side of the property and come up and clean up all these tree tops. You know, I was just noticing, interestingly enough, like this whole tree right here, he's hollow all the way up through there. You know, that's a big old, that's a 28-inch chest height, probably, red oak. And he's hollow all the way through. And we gotta pull one more tree across the ditch. But in this 2-acre little block, I think what happened, there's about 2 acres on this side of the fence, and we've had more of it run bad, like this guy, over here than what we did over there where we used the horses, and the woods were still woods. But the timber was in better health and whatnot. I think what happened is that got logged and this little 2 acre block didn't. And so, and it did a good job over there. So it was, the timber was healthier and better shape over there than what it's been over here.